So we talked about Georgia O'Keeffe in that video. Georgia O'Keeffe was really well known for her large flowers. Now this is just a small print in a book, but this actual painting is over 3 feet tall and shows all the beautiful details of this poppy. So we are going to draw a quick, easy way of doing a flower. It needs to be fully colored if you can at the end of it. All right. So let's get to it. We, of course, need the center of our flower. We're going to start with a circle. This is usually the part of the flower that the pollen attaches to help pollinate the seeds. We're going to turn it into a beach ball. Then we're going to use line to go around it and give it kind of a fuzziness. Now it looks a little bit like a beach ball sun. And we are going to add what's called the stamens, kind of like little alien antenna coming out from this beach ball. These are the parts at the very end of them that have pollen attached to them. That's what the bees are going after when they go flower to flower, looking for pollen and nectar, which gathers around the center part right here. You can make them varying sizes, give variety, makes it interesting. All right, so now we have the center of our flower. Remember, we're making it big so we can see all the big detail of this flower. It cannot be small, so no small flowers. You got to fill up your whole paper. Let's go out with a U, a giant U. It's like giving a giant wing to the middle of your flower. And go ahead and add more. Go off the edge of the paper, that's fine. More and more petals. So that's the first part of our flower. When flowers have only one row of petals like this, they are called single flowers. We are going to make what's called a doubled flower. Add some wrinkles because petals are wrinkly. And we are going to go and we are going to add more petals from the center of our flower. And then we're going to add even more. It's like adding giant U's or smileys. We're going to go all the way to the edge of the paper. And yeah, sometimes you got to imagine where the line will go and where it will come back into your paper. But now we have a giant, beautiful flower. To fill up our paper, and it has all those beautiful little details. Now go ahead and color this any color you want. It could be red, it could be pink, it could be multiple colors. And if you want to challenge yourself and you have a yard and you can go out, I want you to go out and I want you to think and maybe even try and draw an actual flower close up, fill up the whole paper, just like I did with this azalea that was out in our yard because our pink azaleas are blooming. So go out, look for the stamens, look for the middle of the flower that's called the pistil, and see how many petals you can fit in your paper. All right, can't wait to see what y'all do.